here for a few minutes and wanted to go over an insulation thing that we can do on these buildings. This building's not being insulated with the standard compression fiberglass with the white vapor barrier that you've seen. But the customer is planning eventually down the road to come in and insulate when he finishes off these walls. He wants to have a nice finished shop here. So just for his budget, he's not doing that now. He's planning on doing that later on down the road. And so what we're doing for him is we're installing, I don't know if you can see it here, but this thermal break between the wall panel and the girt system. We'll do this on the purlins as well. This is just like a closed cell or open cell type of foam picked up from the Home Depot. It comes in little 4-inch rolls. It's inexpensive. You can see it here, and you can see it on the outside of the girt. We just use a 3M spray adhesive to attach it and trim it up so that it looks nice, so you don't have the big tails and stuff hanging off. The reason we do this is because the sun will bake out here on the wall panel and transfer that heat through the purlin to the inside of the building, or the cool to the inside of the building. So you can get sweating after you insulate the building if you don't put a thermal break on there. And I've been in buildings where they're standing in the direct sun and they're insulated on the inside without the fiberglass going between them, because the fiberglass, a standard insulation system, gives you that thermal break. But I've seen it before where the inside of the girt, even though there's insulation, this can be burning hot or ice cold. And then of course at night, when the air cools down on the outside, the panel gets cold, it transfers that coolness or sucks the heat out or whatever the process is. And you can get condensation on the inside because the building air is still warm, but this is cold. So this is a nice way to ensure that when the building's insulated later on down the road, spray foam or fiberglass, whatever you're putting in. Sorry for the quick pan there. But when it's insulated later, sweating is not a problem, and it makes it a lot more energy efficient.